We have a shot the turn to Pythonpool. There is a little area that you can park your van and head in. We've come 7k down the road and unhooked so that we can leave the van here and head down the dirt road. We don't need to take the van into the Pythonpool. So if we didn't do this, it's another 42 kilometres to the campground, and then you'd have to turn around and come back out. So saving us 84k by doing it this way. How great. There's a train coming. We just dodged the train, but this is the turn off to Pythonpool, 19 kilometres. So it would have been better to leave the van here somewhere. There's a few walks here. Pythonpool's only 100 metres. The Cameliers Trail, 2.5. Or there's a one-way track of Chichester Range Camel Trail, 8 kilometre one way from Mount Herbert through to Pythonpool. Pythonpool, it's pretty popular. There's a few people here. Cute little outhouses at Pythonpools. I hope they don't stand by their namesake and have a python in them. Not that I'm afraid of pythons. I'm just going to do the Mount Herbert summit, 600 metres, 25 minutes return. There is also Mackenzie Spring, 4.5 return, or the one that we looked at from the bottom of the Pythonpool, the 8 kilometre one-way camel trail. Anyway, I'm just going to do this one. Well, it's a bit windy at the top, so I don't know if you can hear me, but I was doing the 100 metres straight up the mountain. Look back and there's another trail, which is obviously the 600 metre and an easier trail. So if I came up the hard way, I'll go down the easy way.
You gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty. You know what's right, but I don't trust you up with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time, can someone call a referee?
This is a catchment area for dams, so there's no swimming in this area.
I know you know that I make those mistakes maybe once, twice. Or once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me
This is us for the night, Miliyanha Campground at Millstream National Park. We have an all parks pass, so we didn't have to pay the fee to bring the car in. We did have to pay $30 for camp fees. Greg forgot to tick the box saying he was a pensioner, so it's $10 for pensioners and $15 for adults. So we paid $30 for the night. Site 16 we're on. It's all pretty much spread out. We've got a camp kitchen in the middle, toilets, and we'll go exploring tomorrow.
I'll go, and then you go out and spill the truth. Can we both say the words and forget this? Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? I'm not just trying to get you back on me. No, no, this ain't more than just your body, baby. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now?
Watching the sunrise from bed this morning. It's a little bit chilly and there's a breeze. This is Stargazers Campground. The only difference is there's no generators at this one. We're having a look at a deep reach. There's a swimming hole here. Unfortunately, barbecues and tables and things were damaged by fire, so it's not as pretty as it has been in the past. Going to get some footage of before and after. This campground's fully booked out tonight, so over the next few hours we'll probably see lots of vans rolling in and tents and setting up. "6:30, all quiet, but it was meant to be fully booked last night, and I can see at least 5 vacant sites. And I've heard that about national parks. People book and then just don't come. I think that's bizarre, and it takes up a site that someone who might have really wanted to be here could have taken. We're leaving Millstream National Park today and we're heading to Tom Price. We're going to stay at the Caravan Park for 2 nights to explore the area. Last night we didn't hear anything, but people were complaining about hearing pump noise across the other side of the camp. But we were away from the noise at site 16 or 17. Those sites don't hear anything inside the van. I could faintly hear it in the distance early this morning outside of the van. But it's been a lovely little quiet stopover. We've finished exploring, on to the next adventure. Aren't airbags the best invention ever, Greg?